Today we are going to learn 10th standard relations and functions example 1.11. Let capital A is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equals to 2 comma 5 comma 8 comma 11 comma 14 be two sets. Let f from A to B be a function given by f of x equals to 3x minus 1. Represent this function by arrow diagram in a table form, a set of ordered pair and in a graphical form. So the values of A I have written and the value of B is written. The function given in the question is f of x equals to 3x minus 1. So f of x is equals to 3x means 3 into x minus 1. Here multiplication and subtraction are given. First you give importance only to the multiplication. First we'll write the values of A in the place of x. So f of 1 is equals to 3 into, in the place of x we'll write 1. For the multiplication I have underlined because first we have to do the multiplication, later on subtraction. So 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Next f of 2, in the place of x I have written 2. So 3 into 2 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Next 3, f of 3. So 3 into 3, in the place of x I am writing 3. So 3 into 3 minus 1. 3 3s are 9 minus 1, 8. Next f of 4. 3 into 4 minus 1. 4 3s are 12 minus 1, 11. So when I have written the value of 1, the answer is 2. When I sub the value of 2, your answer is 5. And when we write the value of 3, answer is 8. And when you write the value of 4, your answer is 11. That will write in a arrow diagram. So arrow diagram you have to draw like this. This is the value of A and B. This is the function related to them. So when I write 1, answer is 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. So 14 here it is not mapped, no problem. We'll write a table form for that x. Same thing for the 1, the answer is 2. For the 2, answer is 5. When we sub the value of 3, the answer is 8. And when you sub the value of 4, your answer is 11. Third one, they asked us to write in ordered pair. So ordered pair we have studied in the previous class. So f is equals to 1, 2, 2, 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. Next graphical form. In graphical form, we'll write in the graph. Roughly you have to do it. Use the scale for the measurements. So see that you must use only scale. So with the help of the scale you write the measurements. Your first point is 1, 2. The first point you have to place only in the x-axis. Second point you have to see in the y-axis. 2, 5. 2 in the x-axis, 5 in the y-axis. Next 3, 8. 3 in the x-axis, 8 in the y-axis. 4. 4 in the x-axis and 11 in the y-axis. Draw a straight line, gives you the graphical form. Same model. Exercise 1.4. Relations and functions, second sum. Same thing. Here the value of A is 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 and the value of B is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9 and the relation given is f of x is equals to, the function given here is f of x is equals to x by 2 minus 1. First we'll sub the value of 2 in the place of x. So 2 in the place of x I am writing 2, 2 by 2 minus 1. So 2 divides 2 1 times, 1 minus 1, 0. Next we are going to sub the value of 4. 4 by 2 minus 1. 2 divides 4 2 times. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next we'll sub the value of 6. 6 by 2 minus 1. 6. 2 divides 6 3 times. 3 minus 1, 2. Next we'll sub the value of 10. 10 by 2 minus 1. 2 divides 10 5 times. 5 minus 1, 4. f of 12. 12 by 2 minus 1. 2 divides 12 6 times. 6 minus 1, 5. So this answers will write in the ordered pair. So 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5 gives you the ordered pair. Same will represent in a table For the 2, the answer is 0. For 1, the answer is 4. The answer is 1. When you sub the value of 6, your answer is 2. When you sub the value of 10, your answer is 4. And for the 12, the answer is 5. Same will represent in a arrow diagram. For the 2, answer is 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4, 12, 5. Next, we'll draw a graph. See that the graph measurements according to the scale you have to do. You write in the measurements according to the scale. See, I have written like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that you can plot the points easily. See, I have written the correct measurements. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Later on, plot the points. So, the first point you have to see in the x-axis. Second, you have to see in the y-axis. So, 4, 1. 4 in the x-axis, 1 in the y-axis. 6 in the x-axis, 2 in the y-axis. 10 in the x-axis and 4 in the y-axis. 12 in the x-axis and 5 in the y-axis. Thank you, children.